Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Kadek Bagus.
And my name is Hussayn Ath-Thariq Tanjung. We from Mutiara Bunda High School are here to present our physics study with the title The Effects of Using Pertamax and Shell Super Fuels on Motorized Vehicle Engines Performance. We'll begin with the introduction. The number of motorized vehicles in Indonesia, especially motorcycles, continues to increase from year to year, reaching more than 141 million units in 2021. The increase in the number of vehicles naturally suggests that the demand for fuel is also high. There is a large variety of fuel products available in Indonesia with different minimum RON values. Businesses like Pertamina and Shell offer various products with various minimum RON values suitable for their respective vehicle engines. In general, the quality of a fuel product can be determined by its RON value. The higher the RON value, the better the quality. However, when comparing products of different brands that have the same minimum RON value, a difference in quality can't be determined only by looking at the minimum RON values, for they are the same. The goal of this study is to determine the quality of two different fuel products by comparing their effects on a motorized vehicle engine's performance.
Up next, we have research methodology. In this research, we're using a quantitative descriptive method. The tools are Yamaha NMAX 155cc motorcycles 2018, dynamometer, blower, strap, and hand pump. The materials needed are Pertamax fuel and Shell Super fuel. For the procedures, first, the tools and materials were prepared according to the test procedure. Then, the vehicle was filled with Pertamax fuel. Then, the vehicle was placed and tied onto the dynamometer roller. And then, 5 runs of the dynotests was conducted. Then, the remaining Pertamax fuel was drained with a hand pump. Next, the vehicle was then refilled with Shell Super fuel. Then, another 5 runs of dynotests was conducted. And lastly, the results from both fuel products were graphed and analyzed.
Next up, we have the result and analysis. Here on the left, we have the data from the dyno tests performed on both fuels. And on the right, first we have the torque comparison between the two fuels. Pertamax is the superior fuel when it comes to maximum torque, with it reaching 25 Newton meter on 1257 RPM, which is approximately 6.93% higher than Shell Super's 23.38 Newton meter on 1460 RPM. Then we have the comparison for horsepower between both fuels. Here, Shell Super is the superior fuel, with it reaching 11 kilowatt at 8,235 RPM, which is approximately 1.85% higher than Pertamax's 10.8 kilowatt on 8,085 RPM.
So, next up we have our conclusion. In comparison to Shell Super, Pertamax has a greater maximum torque value, making it the more optimal fuel to use on off-road terrain, ascending roads, and urban roads, where fast acceleration and the better low-speed control are favored. In comparison to Pertamax, Shell Super has a greater maximum horsepower value, making it the more optimal fuel to use on tracks with few or no obstacles, enabling the easier maintenance of high speeds.
Then we have our future works. Future studies could expand by investigating the effects of a wider range of fuels on a wider range of vehicles and engine types, including both modern and vintage models, while accounting for additional factors that influence the motorized engine's performance.
Up next, we have our references. This is the references for our study.
That should be all from us. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.